Hey guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we will discuss about how can you integrate PhonePe Payment Gateway in your website by using the PHP programming language. So guys, don't waste your time. Let's start the video. So guys, before start the video, I want to tell you one thing. I have already created one video for PhonePe Payment Gateway integration. That video belong to old version PhonePe Payment Gateway integration that's required for API key and merchant ID. If you have guys API key and merchant ID, you can simply watch this video. That video belong to old version PhonePe Payment Gateway which is supported by API key and merchant ID. Okay guys, that is version 1. Come to version 2. Version 2 requires client ID and client secret and client version. If you have guys client ID and client secret and client version, you can simply use this version 2 and which is I am creating this video for version 2. So guys, these are the source code of version 1 and version 2. You can simply download this source code. Let's guys download the source code and I will show you the demo how it's work and what need to you have to change in this source code for work for you. So guys, I am going to videos for version 2, version 1 video already created. I already told you. So simply we are going to version 2 for client ID and client secret if you have. I am going to open this source code in Visual Studio. So guys, you can see there is config.php file. You have to change your credential and enter your credential for testing and production requirements. In localhost, you cannot run the production credential in localhost. So we are going to run using the testing credentials. I am going to start my server localhost to run this project. Package. This is package folder. In root folder you can see there is URLs. So guys, after the run my localhost server, so I am going to tell you app URL. You have to change your app URL where you will put your this source code in folder. If you put this source code in name Rakesh, you have to enter the simply Rakesh then package. Okay guys. Now there is one more response.php which is handle the when user complete the payment and redirect by PhonePe Payment Gateway server. User will redirect this page after the payment success or failure. So guys, I am going to enter my testing credentials and I will save this file and simply going to this page. So guys, by security reason, I cannot show you my testing credentials. Okay. So guys, I have simply added my testing credential and simply I am going to refresh this page. So I am going to pay this, simply run this demo, how it's work. I'm going to show you. So simply I just change this amount to 10 rupees and make payment. I click this make payment and you can see there is the option for UPI ID card and net banking. I'm going to choose the net banking or any bank. I click this anyway. Now there is a option for success failure pending. This is for testing only for you will not see this in production mode this way. I click this simply submit success. You can see payment is successfully tested working, and now my PhonePe payment gateway is successfully working. Now you can see there is a payment status completed and order ID, and this is the PhonePe server order ID, and this is amount which I used to my complete my payment. Now guys, let's show you my source code how it's working. To simply you can see there is config.php file, and when you click this package folder there is a request response, and there is a one more file, there is a PhonePe helper, that is code for writing everything. You can see I use this method and simply run this code. This index.php file, this index.php file belong to this page. And when you submit this make payment, it will simply call this request.php file by order id. It will call the PhonePe helper and create the payment. Then it will redirect to PhonePe payment gateway server. After the it will redirect to PhonePe payment gateway server. Now after the payment success or failure, it will redirect to your response.php file, which is I use order ID, which is sent I order ID by using the quotation mark by parameters. So it will redirect with respond to PHP file with parameters. Simply I got the order ID, and I simply get the order status, and I simply check if payment is not successful. It will create again redirect URL. You can simply say there is order status, something like that. I already saw you respond to PHP file. This type, this is file. So guys, I hope you understand how can you integrate PhonePe payment gateway in PHP in your website. So guys, if this video helpful for you, simply subscribe our channel and like the video. So guys, bye. See you in next video.